got me laughing, laughing out loud. Woo! LOL. Woo! Yeah. Haha. Hey yo. Alright, in this video, I would like to talk about how I use stock sounds in FL Studio 21 now. I know how to use it now. So it's just like my drums are synced in now. That is the correct term, for real, for real. I know how to do that now. I can make coordination type drums. And then I can add the feelings type drums. Yeah. And then I can eat my strawberry banana yogurt for celebration. Looking for inspiration. Not even on vacation. And then I got like a granola bites bar. Like this, that's what I call it. Boom, it tastes good. It tastes like a real granola bar. For real, for real. I'm gonna take a bite. Hold on. Hold on, let me see. Okay. See, boom. All right. Yeah. I don't want to drip nothing, but y'all can see that. Y'all see that? I'm gonna mix it up. Y'all see it better like that. Mix it up. Alright. Now hurry up before my yogurt gets warm. But yeah, I'm able to do that now. So I love stock sounds in FL Studio. I'm gonna use every stock sound in FL. I'm gonna use every stock sound in FL Studio for real, for real. I'm gonna use all the percussions in FL Studio to make a real instrumental record type beat. For this video, I don't even need no water. And for this video, I want to talk about more stuff. Like, I want to talk about my Steam account. And I got a lot of games on Steam. I don't know how many games I bought. But I bought the games I know how to play. And I got some games I don't know how to play. And I gotta learn it. I gotta learn the buttons and stuff. Like, I got some games that I could play with the gamepad. And there's some games I can't play with the gamepad. For real, for real. Tastes so good. I love yogurt. Yogurt is so healthy. Yogurt tastes like ice cream. And yogurt fills you right up. It'll fill you up for a few hours. I love strawberries. strawberries and yogurt. Mmm. Mmm. Mm. I could take my granola and put it in my yogurt, and I gotta mix it on up. Look. Can y'all see that? Like, that's gonna taste even way much better for it's gonna be more sweeter. It does taste good. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, yo. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. But yeah, I've been playing all my games. I don't even think video games is called video games anymore. It's just games. But yeah, yo. That's all I wanted to talk about in this video. So I hope that y'all have a good night tonight. And I know I'm gonna have a good night because I'm currently making a beat, and I finished it. So all I gotta do is mix the melodies and mix the drums. That's all I gotta do. And then record my loop into a beat in Bandicam or on Bandicam. On Bandicam! Yeah, on Bandicam. Yeah. Alright, for real, this time that's the end, yo. That's the end, y'all. Alright. Until next time, man. That was good stuff. Watch me eat videos. I'm the best at what I do. For real, for real. Yo. Hey, whoa, yo, yo.